Hi everyone and welcome to Pescara. Pescara is not only the city where I was born, but it's also an exclusive tourism destination on the Adriatic Sea in Abruzzo, but less than 1 hour away from the highest peaks of the Apennine Mountains. Here you can find picturesque open-air restaurants, cycle paths all along the sea, and so many events that make this city dynamic and fun. So, which are the best things to do if you visit Pescara? Enjoy its 20 kilometers of sandy beaches, full of well-organized resorts. View from Ponte del Mare towards the mountains. Ponte del Mare is one of the longest pedestrian and cycle bridge in Europe. In Pescara there is a huge pedestrian area framed by Corso Umberto I, Corso Vittorio Emanuele II and Via Nicola Fabrizi. In these streets you'll find the best fashion and food shops. Stop at a cafe to taste Abruzzo or for a refreshing spritz. The old part of Pescara is basically two short parallel streets of typical South Italian houses. And if you have more than 5 days to spend in Pescara, I suggest you to visit some nearby attractions. Ciclabile dei Trabocchi is one of the most suggestive coastal paths of Italy. Grotte del Cavallone is an impressive cave located in a breathtaking landscape. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.